My channel Research Station. Today I will show you the other option in control panel. So my series in control panel for Windows 10, it's on the fourth option, like BitLocker Drive Encryption. What is BitLocker Drive Encryption? If you select this option, this screen will appear, and the first option is BitLocker Drive Encryption. It helps protect your files and folder from unauthorized access by protecting your drives with BitLocker. So we will start now to do a test. I will insert a key on my USB. So I open, this is my USB drive F. I have it here. I select it and I turn on BitLocker. It will start saying choose how you want to unlock this drive. If you want to use my smart card to unlock the drive, you need to insert your smart card. Card pin will be required when you unlock the drive, but we will use the password to unlock the drive. We select it, we write a password 2 times. The password should contain uppercase and lowercase letter, numbers, spaces and symbols, but they are not all necessary. So you can write only the lowercase letter if you want, like in my case, but the password should be a little bit long, because if you write like this one with 5 letters, it will not let you and show the password provided doesn't meet minimum length requirement. It doesn't show how much should be the minimum length, but I think it's about 8 characters. So you write okay, select next. It's better if you save the key to a file, or because if you forget it, then you can't get it anymore. And it will save on the desktop, so save and click next. This will show you how much of your drive to encrypt. If you are setting up BitLocker on a new drive on your PC, you only need to encrypt the part of the drive that's currently being used. BitLocker encrypts new data automatically as you add it. If you are enabling BitLocker on a PC or drive that's already in use, consider encrypting the entire drive. Encrypting the entire drive ensures that all data is protected, even data that you deleted, but that might still contain retrievable info. I will select the first option, because it encrypts used disk space only, faster and best for new PC and drives. And if you select the second, it will encrypt the entire drive, slower, but best for PC and drives already in use. So I will click next, choose which encryption mode to use, leave this part compatible mode, so best for drives that can be moved from these devices, and click next. Are you ready to encrypt this drive? You will be able to unlock this drive using a password. Be careful, because if you forget your password, you can't unlock then the drive. So encrypt might take a while depending on the size of the drive. Until encryption is complete, your files won't be protected. So start encrypting. I will wait a little. I can do it on my CD drive, but I have too much data there, so it's for that I'm using this stick. We will see it now. Close, and we see what happened. We have an icon here, a little icon, like if I remove it and I put it again, okay, it will show the key like in yellow style. My Windows said that this drive is BitLocker protected, so if I open it, it will show me this window that I can't open. For more options, it says enter recovery key, automatically unlock on this PC the next time. It means when I should enter for the first time the password, but I remember now the password. I think okay, and then it shows me what to do with my stick. Okay, now is open, so I can open my drive, and I think I can copy and paste the key. The key, it has this identifier and the if you forget your password. So I hope this was useful. Please like, subscribe and share if you like it. Bye.